Hi, this is John with WTI, and right here I have the treat that my little dog Noah just loves. This is the Purina Beggin treat. This is like real bacon. And I'm gonna tell you directly what I like the most about this product is that most of the times when my little Noah that is right now looking at me, waiting for a nice treat, I'm gonna give him one after this, is that he behaves. Whenever I show him one of these sticks of bacon, he just go crazy over it, and he's just like, he's not too emotional. He doesn't show us too much emotion, but when I give him one of these, it's like a nice treat. So if you just want to put for your dog a nice treat because he's behaving, or you're just trying to train him, this is a great option because it's packed with good vitamins. It's gonna give you a good option for him to have like a nutritional, high nutrition based treat for him. And this is overall a great taste for him. He just loves it. And it's just a nice treat. I'm gonna give him one after this because he's like behaving properly now that I'm filming. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.